When it comes to installing a new door in your home or business in Bartow, the process may seem straightforward at first. However, improper installation can lead to a range of problems, including poor energy efficiency, drafts, security risks, and even potential damage to your home's structure. Understanding the common mistakes to avoid during door installation can ensure that the job is done correctly and efficiently. Here are the top mistakes you should watch out for when installing a door in Bartow. Skipping the measurements. One of the most common and costly mistakes homeowners make during door installation is failing to take accurate measurements. If the door frame isn't measured properly, the new door may not fit, leading to gaps or poor alignment. This can result in problems like difficulty opening or closing the door, drafts, and even water leaks. Before purchasing a door, take the time to measure the width, height, and depth of the existing frame. Don't rely on standard measurements alone. Each home may have slight variations that could affect the fit. A professional installer in Bartow will ensure precise measurements, but if you're taking a DIY approach, be meticulous in your measurements to avoid costly errors. Ignoring proper door frame preparation. An often overlooked aspect of door installation is the preparation of the door frame. Over time, door frames can warp, shift, or settle, especially in areas like Bartow, where humidity levels can fluctuate. If the frame isn't properly aligned or squared, the door will not hang properly, affecting both function and appearance. Before installation, inspect the frame for any damage or misalignment. If the frame is out of square, it may need to be adjusted or even replaced. Take the time to ensure that the frame is level and plumb before hanging the new door. Choosing the wrong type of door. Not all doors are created equal, and choosing the wrong type for your specific needs can lead to long-term frustration. Consider factors such as the door's material, style, and intended function. For example, exterior doors in Bartow need to be durable and resistant to the humidity and heat typical in the area. A wooden door that isn't treated for the local climate can warp and deteriorate over time. Another key factor is security. Ensure that the door you select provides adequate protection against potential break-ins, especially if you're installing it in an area that's vulnerable to crime. Always choose a door that aligns with your specific needs, whether it's for aesthetics, energy efficiency, or security. Overlooking insulation and weatherproofing. Improper weatherproofing can lead to drafty, uncomfortable spaces and higher energy bills. Failing to insulate around the door properly during installation is a major mistake that many homeowners make. This allows air to flow through gaps, making your HVAC system work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature inside your home. Be sure to install a high-quality weather seal around the door and use appropriate insulation materials to minimize heat loss and prevent moisture from entering the home. This will improve your home's energy efficiency and prevent issues like mold growth or rotting wood. Neglecting the door hardware. The hardware you choose for your door is just as important as the door itself. Poorly installed or substandard hardware can make a door difficult to open and close or cause safety issues, especially with entry doors. Ensure that the door handle, locks, and hinges are properly installed and function smoothly. Also, choose hardware that complements your door style. For instance, a sleek, modern door might look out of place with outdated or bulky hardware. If you're unsure about what hardware to use, seek advice from a professional in Bartow to ensure that it's both functional and stylish. Rushing the installation process. Installing a door may seem like a quick job, but rushing through it can lead to mistakes that are costly to fix. Taking your time to ensure each step is completed carefully is crucial. Whether you're installing a simple interior door or more complex entry door, don't cut corners when it comes to preparation, installation, or sealing. Hiring a professional installer can save you time and effort and ensure the job is done correctly the first time. They have the experience to handle any unexpected challenges that might arise during the installation. Not considering future maintenance. A door is an investment, and it requires ongoing maintenance to ensure it remains in good condition. Neglecting this aspect can lead to problems down the line, such as sticking doors, rotting wood, or rusted hardware. When installing a door, consider the long-term maintenance needs and how you'll keep it in good shape. Regularly inspect the door for any issues, such as drafts, damage, or wear and tear, and make repairs as needed. This will extend the lifespan of the door and keep your home safe and comfortable. Conclusion. Installing a door in your Bartow home is a significant task that requires attention to detail. By avoiding these common mistakes, such as improper measurements, neglecting weatherproofing, or rushing the installation, you can ensure that your new door enhances both the aesthetics and functionality of your home. If you're unsure about the process, don't hesitate to hire a professional to guarantee that the job is done right. After all, a well-installed door not only adds value to your property but also ensures the comfort and security of your home.